Bullish Mobox cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $2.82 and $6.15 by 2030. Market examiners accept Mbox could reach $2.82 by 2025. Bearish Mobox market cost expectation for 2022 is 50 cents. Mobox presentation. As cryptographic forms of money became standard, their applications have likewise moved past method for installment. One such application is the moderately new non-fungible token. NFTs are exceptional computerized resources that only one individual can claim. Yet, what precisely do NFTs mean for the crypto world? And how have they changed the game in the recently arising metaverses? Enter the Mobox coin. In this video, we'll go over the essentials of Mobox and let you know all that you really want to be familiar with the coin's anticipated cost, so you can choose whether to purchase Mobox. Thus, continue to peruse for the total Mobox value expectation and contributing it. What is Mobox? The Mobox coin isn't exactly a customary coin on the crypto market in essence, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Rather, it's a local utility token. Thusly, the assessed cost expectation contrasted with the cost expectation for other normal digital currencies. The task that Mobox coin was worked for to act as a utility token is the Mobox convention. The Mobox convention is a yield-cultivating crypto project that creates coins for the Movox and internet gaming metaverse. What is a utility token? A utility token, here and there known as an application coin or a client token, is a unique kind of crypto token that permits token holders to utilize items and administration. Thusly, the Mobox token is the token inside the Mobox convention, permitting clients to get to administrations inside the Movox metaverse. Utility tokens have different expected forecasts and projections contrasted with regular digital currencies. The justification behind these distinctions is that utility tokens are frequently unregulated. They structure a miniature economy inside various blockchains and hence have an alternate cost expectation, market cap, and future cost figure. What is a yield-cultivating undertaking? Yield cultivating is a method for benefiting by loaning digital currency and benefiting through interest. Despite the fact that yield cultivating isn't really a wise interest temporarily, it might get a decent return 2 or 3 years' time given that the cash has a consistent cost increment. Yield cultivating projects are otherwise called DeFi, or decentralized finance projects. That is on the grounds that clients loan or get coins on a decentralized exchanging stage. Whether a yield-cultivating project is a productive venture relies generally upon the sort of cryptographic money being exchanged as well as the cost conjecture. Yield-cultivating dangers. However, be cautioned, regardless of their worth as a productive venture, yield-cultivating projects likewise convey huge gamble, leave tricks, floor-covering pulls, and venture unpredictability are only some yield-cultivating takes a chance with that financial backers ought to respect. Mobox Specialized Investigation. While a specialized investigation of the Mobox token might appear to be challenging to execute from the outset, knowing the right instruments for the gig will assist better with working with Mobox cost expectations. Knowing the right devices and information can help with a more exact gauge of its future market esteem. Moving oscillators versus moving midpoints. Both moving oscillators and midpoints are utilized as specialized investigation markers for expected future coin conjectures. At the point when consolidated, both moving midpoints and moving oscillators can act as information pointers on the digital currency market. Moving midpoints. These smooth out the cost of a product. For this situation, a digital currency coin, by making a typical value that updates continuously. This normal can be assumed control throughout any time span, going from days, weeks, or even minutes. Moving oscillators. An oscillator is essentially the distinction between two different moving midpoints. They are known as oscillators since these qualities waver around nothing. Now that you're mindful of the key distinctions among oscillators and moving midpoints, we can cover a few sorts of both that will assist with Mobox cost estimate. Relative strength record. The overall strength list is an energy-based oscillator for cost conjectures. For our situation, Mobox figure. RSI estimates the change, or greatness, and the speed, or speed, of directional cost developments. Straightforward moving normal, also called an unweighted moving normal. The straightforward moving normal gives equivalent significance and weightage to every period in the informational collection. Mobox Central Investigation. At first sent off in April 2021. Mobox is a token for exchanging gaming NFTs. As such, it's a method for procuring and exchange coins as you mess around on the Mobox site. Mobox is gathered and controlled through in-game resources. Be that as it may, dissimilar to most NFTs which are based on the Ethereum blockchain, Mobox is based on the Binance Savvy chain. The typical figure cost, most extreme cost gauge, and Mobox cost increment are accordingly essentially connected to the Binance blockchain. This additionally pursues Mobox a harmless to the ecosystem cryptographic money decision, making it carbon nonpartisan. Mobox current cost. Mobox is at present worth 62 cents USD. Mbox has moved 0.56% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,775,934. Mobox is at present position 370 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $50,279,487 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union to similarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Mobox to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Mobox Value Forecast 2022. Mobox, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Mbox cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 94 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 87 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Mbox is supposed to have a base worth of 75 cents. Mobox Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Mobox Mbox cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mbox will before long outperform $1.57. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Mbox's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Mbox will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.26 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.38. Mobox Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.20 and Mbox might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Mbox is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.01 and a low of $1.88 in 2024. Mobox Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that Mobox effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the Mbox coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mbox will be green in 2025. The Mbox is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $2.82, with a base cost of $2.51 and a typical cost of $2.64. Mobox Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Mbox cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.26 by 2026, with a base cost of $3.14 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Mbox has a most extreme value worth of $3.45. Mobox Value Forecast 2027. Because representing